as you know, we are in an increasingly competitive world where speed and agility are two key pillars of business competitiveness. Also, we now have the highest ever focus on customer delight and relationship. So the challenge here is to bring in all of these, that is speed, agility and customer delight at the right cost points without putting pressure on the operating margin. Therefore, deciding strategy which is aligned with the corporate goals, the end user expectations on what and how they want the data or view to be presented to them, investment and usability, and finally, educating the end user on the importance and relevance is very key to our business. So in this whole journey, EMC as such has been playing a very key role, just like any of the strategic partners that we do expect to be part and parcel of our journey as such. As an innovation-related architectural process, we are looking to re-architect the data management system by classifying online and offline data. This will give us maximum benefit in data management and the way data is looked at. And Reliance, we have been actively involved in big data solutions. Due to the sheer size of our databases, we have adopted the Greenplum EMC to store CDRs and unstructured and perform analytics on it. In order to remain state-of-art IT, we continue to test and evaluate, any other products and vendors like Vertica, like Hadoop, etc. We have implemented the storage virtualization, which is one of the leading providers as far as virtualization is concerned. We are, considered pretty recognized in that area. We have also implemented unified storage, which is SAN and NAS in a single box. EMC certainly has been around for a very, very long time. I mean, I've known them for quite a few years, even before Reliance. However, since I have been at RCOM, we have been consistently supporting and evaluating new vendors. And my main objective is to support open standards first of all. So this alignment with open standards and API-based architecture are key considerations for all of our products. So we are also particular about how forward-looking is the product roadmap and vendors' commitment to adoption and development of open standards in the industry. So as I earlier talked about our technology preferences and standards, the key criteria we look for in open standard-based solutions offering is an architecture which supports scalability and interoperability, coupled with functional and technical flexibility. So in our evaluation of multiple vendors, we found EMC to be supporting and being in line with our technological direction, which helped us go all the way with EMC as a strategic partner. We would not have been with EMC had they not walked all the way through with respect to keeping us aligned with how we can stay competitive. First of all, we are one of the topmost Indian telecom operators providing full spectrum of wireless, wireline and long distance, voice, data, video and internet communication services. We have really tried to be the 4 C's of the world, and for doing that, led the world through a number of evolutions. If you consider the technology, jump starts that we have provided in terms of virtualization, etc. So we have got an extensive international presence through the provision of long distance voice, data and internet services and submarine cable network infrastructure globally. So in a competitive and technically evolving industry, we do need to continuously innovate and renovate our technology solutions, which offer competitive advantage and helps in capitalizing our existing services and capture new opportunities. So looking ahead, technology, we have to help the enterprise's revenue growth and also bring the organization and customer together.